transformation we desire to see in healthcare will require female, women leaders. So, what we're talking about today. Hello, I'm Marinda Nelson. For those of you that don't know me, I was a sick youngster, had many, for many years, disappointing healthcare experiences. I worked for 20 years in healthcare and realized that it is often the providers and physicians that are the most caring and compassionate, that are the most burnt out and most disassociated. So either we're seeing asshole doctors, that's a possibility, but so often and far too often, we are seeing providers that in self protection have disassociated and are going through the motions. So I made it my mission to help doctors love their work again. So I'm going to start first with a discussion on masculine and feminine energy. Now, this is not male and female, though males tend to express more energy, masculine form, and females tend to express more feminine energy. Okay. Now, we each have both of those energies within us. And when I speak of authenticity, I speak of choosing which facet of ourself, which identity of ourself, which energies we want to give energy to at any given moment. Okay. So masculine energy is described as systems, structures, providing, protecting. Okay. Feminine energy is the energy of desire and fun and experience and play and flow. What you manifest outside of you is going to have to do with the beliefs that you have inside of you. So if those words are triggering to you, one or another, or if you're giving value to one or another, I invite you to look at that within you because that's what's going to show up around you. Okay. Now, desire leads. Okay. I want it to feel more this way. I want more financial flow. I want to have fun on this trip. Okay. Healthcare needs to have more caring and compassion in it. Providers need to be more respectful of their patients. I need more time to see my patients. I want to be able to feel like I'm actually helping them. Okay. These are all these desires that are going to lead us to take the action then to bring that into being. Yes. That desire is feminine energy. Now, we have often been taught that masculine leads. Not true. Masculine provides and protects. Masculine can help gather those resources. Masculine will hold them together and protect them. Yes. When I talk about authenticity, I talk about providing for and protecting the place for your dreams, values, and full expression. Yes. I want to feel like I can be me. That desire is feminine, but creating the space for it, holding the space for it, the providing for and protecting for that, that's masculine energy. Okay. So let me know if that concept makes sense. I know it's different than what you've heard. Okay. Desire bleeds. I stress all the time. How do you want it to feel? And this is why. This is that clarity piece that's required to take the actions, to apply, to align how you want it to feel. Feminine energy is also creator energy. Feminine energy takes from nothing and creates the thing, right? There's a spirit floating around that wants to have a body, that wants to have a human experience. Yeah. And it's the feminine energy, the female, that creator energy that creates the physical form. Okay. Now, yes, it takes two, and yes, it's appearing. So, feminine energy desires the thing. Yes. Masculine energy is going to give your intuitive, your idea for an action. All right. Hey, I'm going to call so and so. All right. I'm going to schedule to have some balloons delivered. All right. Feminine energy receives that idea. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Masculine energy actually makes the phone call, and feminine energy delights in the balloons. Okay. So, feminine energy says, I want more time to be more caring and compassionate with my patients. Masculine, so there will be an idea of how to do that. You're going to, oh, yeah, understand that idea and then take that action and then experience the experience that way. All right. So, feminine energy that tends to be more expressed in females is the one that's going to bring into creation. Now, it is not like we need any more on our plate, right? Women got enough going on right now. I am not saying this is solely our responsibility, but a CEO, creator, head of, holding the vision position. Sweet. Think CEO officer. They're the vision holders. That's actually a position for feminine energy, for the desired vision, for holding that desired experience. Yes? Masculine is great at gathering those resources and bringing those resources in, providing the resources. Now, these are people, this is financial, this is ideas, this is the physical space, this is your EMR, this is all those systems and structures that are there to support you and to support your dream. That's all masculine energy. All right. The doing, the aligned, inspired action, that's masculine energy. You're not going to have one without the other. So you can have your dream all day long, but it's going to stay a dream and a desire unless there's that masculine energy to support it. All right. So this masculine energy, the masculine side of our personalities, of our relationships, are there to support or there to provide for and protect. An incredibly important role of systems and structures supporting you. Yes, financial flow, all the banking systems, internet, so the roads that help the people get to you, knowing the circulatory system, knowing the muscular system, knowing the immune system, knowing the Krebs, like respiratory process, knowing all of these things allows us to help our patients as well. Yes. And the last one I wanted to talk about today, leading, I define as empowering and unifying your team towards a common goal and how you want that goal to feel. Feminine energy is also about the team and come along. It's about the experience of it. I want everybody to feel good doing it. I want everybody to have a good time. I don't want it to feel so hard. I want everybody to feel respected. Yes, the masculine is about doing it. Okay. So it is both of these things, but desire leads. So it is the feminine energies, ideas, and creation and experience of them. The masculine will get it done, right? We've seen that. That's what's happened. People are getting seen. There's billing happening. It's happening in a efficient, aesthetically void way, but it's happening. Yes. If we want there to be a different sensory experience, if we want it to feel a different way, that is for us as women to create that, to have that desire, to own that desire, to commit to that desire, to have it clear and bring it into being. So, this is work that I help you with. Your next step is brilliant. I'll see you soon.